Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a super cute cupcake holder flower. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are cupcake holders, a piece of paper or cardstock, something to color with, and glue. First, what you're going to do is lay out all your cupcake holders, and then you're going to glue them all down. Just like this. Next, what you're going to do is kind of flatten them out a bit just to give it more of a flower shape. Then what you're going to do is take your crayons, color pencils, Sharpies, whatever you're using to color, and color in the center circle of the cupcake holders. And if you have colored cupcake holders, that would also work, but I am coloring my own because I have white ones. You can do whatever color you want for the middle, but what I decided to do was yellow. Next, what you're gonna do is get a crayon or marker or whatever you want to use, and you're gonna color the outside of each cupcake holder different colors. After you finish coloring, this is optional, but what I did is I kind of crinkled it a bit, and just kind of like that. And then what you can do is take your coloring supplies, and for this, we're gonna make the stem, but for the stem, instead of using a crayon, I decided to use a Sharpie, just so you could see it a bit better. And then you can draw leaves on it, you can draw whatever you really want on the stem. Once you finish all the stems and coloring each flower, you are finished. There you go. A super cute cupcake holder paper flower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!